He's saying Ina-chan ganbare. What about me? 私はどうなの？
頑張ります。は
I'm so slow. Why that?
邪魔だよ。くそ鳥。
Excuse me?
Oh no.
Why are you faster? Oh, I'm gonna show you the German driving skills that I learned on the German Autobahn.
I
can't drift anymore. Oh my god.
Initial taco, yes. Gas.
No, what the hell?
I like Rainbow Road.
Oh my god, no, please, no.
You gotta choose.
No, please, no.
Rainbow Road.
No, god, no, not Rainbow Road. Oh my god, no.
Except me.
That was the worst. That's the worst road ever. No. I'm gonna fall off the cliff at least 50 times. No! I drifted. I did it. Oh no! Ah! You fell? But that's what you get if you choose this road. Oh. Come on!
Oh no!
Why did we choose this road?
It's cause I went too fast.
Ah no! Me too. Third time.
I should have saved my shroom.
Fourth time.
It's okay.
Ah, man.
Oh, I stole someone's mushroom. So I'm still. Kiara, we're dead last.
That's why I told you not to choose this road, Ina.
I mean, we would have still gotten,
Did you really think we have a chance on this one?
You never know. Hello.
Oh no. No.
Oh, I got a star.
How do you drive?
It's okay. I don't know.
I need driving lessons. Oh my god.
Same.
No! I'm literally driving off every single curve, Ina.
This one is hard, honestly.
But it's colorful. I like the colors. Dirt! Get out the way!
I believe in you, Kiara.
What?
I believe in you.
Oh really?
Oh wait, I can't tell which one you are. There's like multiple of the same character.
Well, why are you 6? How did you do that? Well, I want to give a shout out to an artist called Nino Mae Inanis, who did
I wonder who that
thumbnail
is.
art.
Who's that?
She's literally speed. She did it in what, an hour or less? 40 minutes or something?
Right after my previous stream.
Are those NPCs? The
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. I can win against NPCs. NPCs are no problem for me.
I don't know. I lose against NPCs a lot of times.
Ina, you're so far away!
Use their items.
Who left their winter wheels here? In the middle of the road. Ina, I thought you were bad at this game. You disappoint me.
I practiced. Wait, no, that's not you. That's KFP. Your employee.
My employees are... I mean, if my employees win, I will take that as a win for me as well. Yara, you aren't very good. Aha, thank you, comments. That's... What do you mean I'm not good? 2 of my own people...
Your workers
are behind me. They actually... I think I saw them stopping on the road. But I told them I'm gonna fire them if they don't let me win. So they're just fighting for their job, Ina.
Are you gonna lower their raise? I mean, their pay if they
no, they're fired. They're fired. If they don't let me win, they're fired. But
okay, don't let her win, guys. We gotta. Let her win. Oh, the shortcut.
oh, hello. Thank you for telling me. God damn it!
You gotta cooperate, remember?
Yes, they can obviously not follow the rule to let me win, but they should be able to follow this one rule. I'm joining. Ina,
Yes, I'm
you
here.
drew Ame in a swimsuit before. Could you please draw me too in a swimsuit?
Okay, if you win against me, I will draw you in the swims. Okay.
God, how do I leave this race?
Oh, you can play a game while I'm making.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I will show you my road rage.
Show me your German road rage.
This is it! Geschwindigkeit! Donner Blitz! Ina, do you have a driver's license? Like, for real? Like, you know?
I have a learner.
A learner's
I can drive, but I need someone with an actual license.
So someone like me! God. They're so nice, but like, there's no way that those people are as bad as me, so they're honestly very kind. They respect me. They respect this majestic phoenix! Ina, after all, we're a team, right? Right?
Are we?
Well, yeah.
Are we? Are we? Yes, we are a team. We gotta beat everyone.
Yes,
Oh wait, I thought we were supposed to be friends.
I know, it's kind of hard to like work together though.
That was your plan all along, wasn't it?
No,
Let my guard down.
So have to aim for number 1.
Let my guard down. If it was one-on-one, it would be a different story.
Oh, you want to do a one-on-one? You want to do a one-on-one? Huh?
That's right.
Let's take it outside, Ina. You and
That's
me
right.
outside.
Okay, our last game is gonna be a one-on-one. Let's see what you can do without your workers.
No, don't take my KFP workers away from me. They're all I have. They're all I have. Oh, I'm so